Snoring can be a major problem for both snorers and the people around them. So today let's see common causes and more importantly effective treatment for snoring, which can offer permanent relief or cure. So while snoring may seem like an unfortunate inconvenience, there are actually several potential causes behind it. This can range from anatomy-based issues such as narrow airway or misaligned jaw to environmental factors like too much noise or even sleeping on your back. So in some cases, snoring is related to underlying health conditions like even obstructive sleep apnea, which should be assessed by a medical professional. While snoring isn't exactly pleasant, understanding the core cause of it can help you find ways to treat and manage it better. Today we'll discuss 3 more common causes in detail. First one is excess weight. One of the primary cause of snoring is excess weight. So when a person is overweight, they often have excess tissues in the throat, which can narrow the airway and make it more difficult to breathe. Additionally, fat deposits around the neck can also put pressure on the airway and contribute to your snoring. Next is poor sleep position. One of the most common causes of snoring is poor sleep position. When you sleep on your back, your tongue and your soft palate can collapse into your throat, causing a blockage of your airway. This can lead to snoring. So sleeping on your side can help to prevent this from happening. Third cause is obstructive sleep apnea. So obstructive sleep apnea is a condition that occurs when your airway becomes blocked during sleep. This can cause snoring as well as pauses in breathing suddenly. People with sleep apnea are at increased risk for high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. And lastly, temporary snoring you can get due to nasal congestion. Now, nasal congestion can also cause snoring. When your nose is congested, it can make it difficult for the air to flow through your nasal passages. This can lead to snoring. Now, snoring can be a nuisance for both you and your loved ones. It can also be a sign of more serious health problems, as we discussed already. So, if you are experiencing snoring, it is important to see our homeopathic specialist to determine the exact cause. In many cases, simple lifestyle changes and homeopathic medicines can help to reduce or eliminate snoring. So if you have any questions, you can speak to our homeopathic specialist by calling the number on the screen for complete relief and cure from snoring. That's all in today's Dr. Welling's Health Show. Bye and take care.